it is once it is all finished. And I am so proud of how this turned out. And I really like how the poppies look on the side of the helmet. Again, it's up to you if you want to add on the poppies. You don't have to add them on if you don't want to. But yeah, this turned out exactly like how I thought it would, so I'm really happy. And this is really soft and squishy. Because I used a bath sponge, and the bath sponges that I use are very soft, so yeah. It's a really nice material to squish. And here's what the inside looks like. So I just lined the inside with black felt, and then I used brown felt for the straps. So yeah, for this one I decided to make it look like an old helmet. So I tried to make it look all rusty, which is why I added all these different shades of shades of paint to it to try and make it look old and rusty. And you can kind of see some of the orange as well. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, I tried my best to make it look like an old, a really old and rusty Brodie helmet, and I really hope I did a good job on it. And I think it looks pretty good. I'm really proud of how the shape of it turned out as well. And I secured the straps with Velcro, as you can see. I know that the real ones were secured with buckles, but I would not know how to add a buckle to this. But you can choose to add on a buckle if they have, because I'm not sure if mini buckles exist, but yeah, it's up to you what you want to use to secure the straps. But yeah, just so happy with this. And I also ended up making a second one off camera, and here is what it looks like. So for this one, I decided to make a more of a brand new Brodie helmet. So this one I painted a like dark green colour. And again, I looked at an image as reference whilst I was doing this. And then again, I lined the inside with black felt, and again I used brown felt for the straps. And I wish I would have made the straps on this one a bit thicker, since these ones are thicker compared to this one. But still, I'm really happy with this one. And then what I decided to do is I decided to add a net on the top of it, and for this I just used string. And what I did was just one by one I just cut off pieces of string and then just glued each piece over the helmet, just to create a net pattern over it. And again, it turned out exactly like how I thought it would, so I'm really happy. And it's a really cool texture now as well. It's also very squishy, and also this one is a little bit slow rising as well. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to do more of a new looking helmet, or if you want to do more of a old one. It's completely up to you. But yeah, just so happy with how they both turned out. Sorry about the glue on my fingers. I really like how they both look together as well. And yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did enjoy it, then please click thumbs up on this video and please subscribe to my channel. It would make me so happy if you did. So please click both of those buttons down below. And also please go and check out my Etsy shop and my Instagram, which are both linked in the description box below as always. So I'd really appreciate it if you go and check those out as well. And I really hope you like these two squishies. I'm super proud of these. I'm really glad I was able to get this video done in time because these ended up taking just a little bit longer to dry than expected. But yeah, very relieved that I was able to finish this in time. And yep, that is it. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please stay tuned for some more squishy tutorials and randomness coming up on my channel very soon. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.